Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. In the previous video we showed you how to access the Exchange Admin Center from another machine on your network. In this case it was my domain controller in my lab because I don't have another machine to test with. In some organizations you may want to disable the ECP because of the surface attack on Exchange. I know that for 2016 they advised to turn it off because they went on a hacking spree to gain access. So the question is, how do you disable it? It's actually very easy. So because it's a single server, you can type get ECP virtual directory, pipe it, and then list everything. So as you can see there, admin enabled, set to true. It's exactly the same as you would do in 2016 or 2013. Now to disable it, you can go admin enabled $false. So what we're doing is we're getting the ECP, we're setting the ECP virtual directory admin enabled false. Press enter. So it gives you a nice warning that it'll take 5 minutes to take effect. And if we go look at it, because it's a small environment, replication is quite quick. You can now see that it is enabled. So if users now try to launch the EAC, they won't be able to log in. And that's how simple it is to manage Exchange 2019 on Server Core. Thank you very much for watching.